Hello, my friends. Today I'm here to review Orly's Valentine's Trio. Yes, I'm uploading this late because I had to delete things on my computer, so I deleted all the movies, including the movies that were on my memory card that was connected to my computer. So I'm here. I could not pass up the opportunity to review these. I did pick them up with my own money. I actually discovered them through Carolyn on Instagram. So shout out to her, the perfect enabler, exactly what I need in my life. These pinks are just too stinking cute to pass up. They are still available right now. You just can't pick them up as a trio. They have them in another bundle set, which includes some other items, or you can pick them up individually. But I will say, if you want them, get them now while you can. That's all I can say. If you like pink, you're interested in these, get them while you can, because it looks like they're not going to be restocking them once they are wiped out. I can't be too sure because I haven't ever talked to them. They haven't reached out to me or anything, but they haven't restocked the trio. So with that being said, let's jump into the review. First up is Wink Wink, and this is the most perfect, stinking cute, neon pale pink that I've seen in a really long time. And the formula is super good as well. I built this one up in 2 coats. I went in with a normal first coat, but I did load up that second coat and it got me where I wanted to go. I was super pleased. And of course, that Orly brush is super nice. I did throw on some top coat for shine and removal was easy. The next one is Sup, which is kind of the weirdest name for any polish in a Valentine's trio. Like if some guy, my husband, came up to me and said, "Sup, we got some problems," okay? That is so disrespectful. Anyways, this is a pink jelly filled with a bunch of holographic glitters. We have micro glitters in there and then some smaller holographic glitters. I built this one up in 3 coats. I tried to stick with 2, but I just wasn't feeling it with this one. I felt like it just needed that 3rd coat. So that's what I went with. That is what I would wear. So I wanted to present it and show it to you guys that way as well. But of course, use how many coats that you want to use. I did go ahead and decide to test out how easy it would be to remove this, and it's actually not that bad. Smaller glitters are easier to remove. It's those thick, chunky ones that are not that easy to remove. And while this one had a lot, which is the part that was kind of tripping me up, while this one does have a lot of glitter in there, it actually wasn't that difficult. Now, if you just like creams, you want them to remove as easy as creams, that's not necessarily what you're going to get. Just add a little oomph to it, you know? Just add a little oomph to it and it'll get you get it off fairly quickly. So that's what I would recommend, but do what you want, right? So I added top coat for shine and removal was fairly easy. And the last one is Let's Go Girls, which is not going to be easy to remove whatsoever. This is jam-packed with glitter. This is a clear base filled with holographic micro glitters and some matte neon glitters in pink and in purple. And I love the color combination in this one so much. It's just it's just right up my alley. I applied 2 coats, but honestly I would just wear it at 1 coat. 2 coats is standard for me, but I really like the look at 1 coat. I think that there was actually too much glitter, believe it or not. I don't feel like I've ever said that, but I felt like there was just too much glitter at 2 coats, and so I would just stick with 1, but I imagine that if you wanted to, you could easily build this up on its own, maybe sponge it on. I'm kind of curious about that, although I haven't tested it myself, but I do have a sneaking suspicion with how much glitter is jam-packed in this that you can build it up on its own. I did go ahead and throw on some top coat to smooth things out and add some shine, and like I said, removal will be difficult. So my favorites, I'm sure you can pick up on which ones were my favorites, and I'm predictable anyways. The first one being Wink Wink. This is seriously so stinking cute, and I feel like I need to pick up a backup, but I need to pace myself because I pick up backups and then like I don't use them, although I am close to using them. I don't ever actually use them. It's kind of a problem, but this is a color that I just want forever and always. Like I hope that they never stop making colors like this, even if it's not Wink Wink. Make another one like it because I'm gonna pick it up anyways. Like it's a brand new color to me. I don't know why I am the way that I am, but here we are. And then my other favorite is Let's Go Girls. I just love the color combination in this, and those holographic glitters in there just set it off. Did you see that live swatch? It is so pretty to look at, so pretty. So these 2 would be my picks. There's nothing necessarily wrong with Sup other than the name. I will say, what I did not say when I was reviewing it is that it does look quite dull on the bottle, but on the nails it's much more vibrant. So just keep that in mind. I was a little shocked to see how it almost looks dusty in the bottle. It's kind of weird, but get in on your nail and it's a lot more bright, a lot more brighter. It's more vibrant on the nails. So That's it for me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye!